Welcome back, Money Makers. I have a new opportunity that I think you're gonna really enjoy today, and it's called the Plotagon Studio. Basically, you're gonna download it, go to plotagon.com/desktop to download it to your Windows machine. When you go ahead and do that, it's gonna open up something similar to like this. And basically, what you're gonna do is you're gonna create different dialogue and scenes that's gonna match up with your own TV show that you're gonna create for your own YouTube channel. So for here, we have a main character named Dennis, and he's going to encounter robots that's going to be taking over the world. And he doesn't really, he feels sorry for the robot because the robot blames all humans for killing his brother. And basically, it's a whole vendetta against humans. And Dennis is sorry that that happened, but he doesn't like that the human that the robot is going to take over the world. And in this particular scene, he's finding out that this particular robot is going to take over, and it's pretty much dialogue between him and the robot, pretty much the whole time. And then at the end, um, something really tragically happens. But just to give you a little bit of backstory here, this is what's going to actually look like when you actually create different dialogues and scenes for the in Podigen.com. So it should come up here, and you'll see that it's going to come up soon here.
I cannot believe robots are going to be taking over the world. This cannot be true. I won't let you take over this earth. Your kind is so evil. Look at me when I am talking to you. Do you hear me? Humans will win over robots.
We will destroy all humans, and there is nothing you can do about it. We will win. We hate all humans. They destroyed my family, and I will get my revenge. All humans are so ugly. I will wipe you all out of this world for good.
Which human destroyed your family? You cannot possibly hold me and others accountable for one human's intentions.